Hello, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're vlogging today. Today is October 30th. We're up bright and early. It's 7:58 and yeah, good morning. So I went to Starbucks super early this morning because I had an errand to run. So I tried something new to the drink that I always get, which is a ice white mocha. So I added vanilla sweet cream foam and 2 pumps of pumpkin, and it's actually pretty good. I'm not mad at it. And then I got a breakfast sandwich. I just got a sausage, egg, and cheddar. Here's my breakfast. Pretty good. So today is the 30th. I have a few things I'm going to do today, but I also have a lash appointment at 11. So I have a lash appointment at 11 because, baby, these lashes, yeah. So I still need to do this life update, but I just really haven't had a chance to sit down and talk. And today we're just vlogging, okay? So yeah, it's the day before Halloween, so I am going to a Halloween party later. So I have my costume and all of that. So I need to get one more thing for my costume, which is just some socks. I'm literally just looking for slouch socks and I can't find them anywhere. So I need to find a pair of socks. I'll do that before I get my lashes done. So yeah, so I've slowly just been trying to get my house in order because, like I said, I just moved. So everything is a mess. Well, everything really isn't a mess. You know, I'm just still working on some things. Hello, I'm back. So you guys, let's product rave for a little second. Don't mind this wig cap that I have on my head. I just like to put something really tight underneath my shower cap, so like no steam or moisture gets in, because that's how you keep your hair straight. Tip. So yeah, let's rave about these Nécessaire products. This is my first time trying this, and you know, I'm not mad at it. I have the body wash in the eucalyptus scent, and normally I wouldn't like something like earthy like this, but this honestly kind of gives you like that luxurious hotel feel, and the packaging is really cute and simple. Like, it's just a twist cap. So yeah, really been loving this. I also tried the body lotion, and when I tell you, this leaves like no weird residue. And I'm not a type of person that likes scented lotions. I actually hate them actually. So if it's not like cocoa butter, shea butter, almond butter, something along those lines, I'm not interested. So this fragrance free lotion really works for me because I like to start with like a clean base and then apply like my perfumes. So something fragrance free like this is amazing. So yeah, if you guys are interested in trying these products, I will link them down below for you, because you know, I'm here for it. So yeah, I have a link for Nécessaire in the description box for you guys, but I'm just about to get dressed and then start on my errands. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back, dressed already, ran my errands, got my lashes done. I did a lot and I didn't even pick up the camera, but here's the outfits. Yeah, really cute and casual. I went to Home Goods, so I'm gonna quickly show you what I got. I also am going to show you my Halloween costume because, you know, Halloween is tomorrow. I plan on celebrating tonight, so I'm just getting my things together to go. but I'm gonna show you what I got from Home Goods really quickly. Here we are. So I just got some random things for the house. So the first thing I have is just this black fleece throw. It's just plain black. I want the accents in my living room to be black, so we got that. Next I have this suction little tray for inside the sink that's just gonna hold the dish sponge and the little scrubber. So we got that. I got a coffee table book just for a pop of color. This one is pink. It's just a Kate Spade book. So I figured this would be really cute on the coffee table. I got some white pillowcases for my bed. I have one of these over the sink drying racks. We're gonna see how I like this for just when like you quickly rinse something out and it needs to dry, like a pan or cups. So we have this one with the black and stainless steel. And I also got these little LED stick lights, well, sticky lights that you just place anywhere. I'm gonna place them in the kitchen. I want to stick them like underneath the cabinets just to have like some accent lighting in the kitchen. It comes with a remote and I have to go get batteries for that, which I did. So I'm gonna stick these in the kitchen as well. So then I also got a few candles. So this is the first one, raw honey and neroli. This one smells really good. So I have that one. I also have wild honey nectar. Love this scent as well. And then I got a big one. This is Tahitian vanilla. This one reminds me of vanilla bean, which is my favorite scent for my home. I like sweet scents, things that smell like cookies, cake, you know, all the good stuff. So this one smells really good, like cake batter. So we love that. So got that. I bought some organizers, but I've already like been sticking in places. But this one I haven't used yet, and this is just a like a spice organizer, but I plan on putting tea bags in here, coffee, tea. So that's what we're gonna use this one for. But let me show you the ones that I've already placed around. So I bought these two canisters as well. This one I just put mixed popcorn in, and this one I put Cheez-Its in. And then in the refrigerator, I got a egg container. I have one of these little containers that just has yogurt in it, and two soda can containers that I actually need to refill because all my company been drinking up my drinks. And then I have this little one that just has apple juice in it. And then I bought this fresh fruit container. It's supposed to keep your fruit fresh longer, so we have that as well. And I didn't get anything for the water. I just lined the water up, and I lined the juice and the milk up. And then we're not going to talk about that because that doesn't have any organization to it yet. And then these are currently what I have my tea and coffee in right now, but I am going to switch it out and put it in the other one. And then, oh, I have this from Home Goods as well. Not sure if I love it, but that's where it lives. So, yeah. I guess I could show you my costume, and then you'll just see me when I put it on. So I'm gonna be a bring it baddie. Yeah, this me. Hello. So we're back. Today is actually the next day, you guys. I took my vlog camera with me to vlog and didn't vlog because I didn't end up carrying a purse. And sorry. I'll show you clips of me in my costume though because it was real cute. It was cute. I was like a little cheerleader. I showed you guys the costume already. But yeah, so it's the next day. I'm home. I went to the grocery store. I'm actually about to cook something. Well, probably not right now. I'm gonna put some red beans in the crock pot. So that's gonna take, you know, hours to get done. So I'll probably start it later on tonight, so it'll be done, you know, by tomorrow. So I did, whoa. So I bought a crock pot from Target. I had a crock pot before and it's no longer with us. So I had to get another one, and this one is cute, simple, will get the job done. So I did that. And from Target, what else did I get from Target? Just like random things like pillows and you know, lamps. I got a clock. I gotta set this up. It's a little crooked. It's so hard getting this stuff together. Like, why doesn't it lean this way? Okay, sure. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so I bought this digital clock for my nightstand because I feel like I'm kind of tired of having to use my phone to check the time when I wake up and use it as an alarm. I want my phone to not be the first thing that I reach for in the morning, even if I'm just checking time. So I got this cute little digital clock from Target. So we got this, really cute. I just got simple things from Target. I got some soap so I can refill my soap containers. And I bought a lampshade, 2 of them actually, for the lamps in my bedroom. And yeah, that's it. So besides that, I have a few packages that we're gonna open up. So I figured I'll just open these before I run to the grocery store. Let's sit you back here. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to get into the swing of this. I think I'm going to get a new camera specifically for vlogging because you really just got to do better. So, I ordered a bunch of batteries. That's what this is, because when you have a kid, they always need batteries. So I ordered like 50 AA batteries, and this is how they came. Is this 50? 4, 8, maybe this is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, so we needed batteries, and we always need AA batteries. So I ordered these from Groupon. I feel like they were like $30-something, really inexpensive. And you know, I would definitely recommend buying in bulk because batteries are expensive. So yeah, I got something else from Overstock, like house stuff. So I feel like they're just coming one by one. So this is actually Tupperware. Because like I said, I moved. So I threw away a lot of stuff that I just wanted to start over with. And Tupperware was one of those things. So I have 2 16-piece containers. So we'll open them to see what they look like. Just basic necessities. So yeah, just basic containers with the snap lids. I do like the containers with lids like this. Really cute. Microwave safe. So yeah, I wanted to get glass, but I just be scared glass is gonna break. I do have some, this top doesn't fit. I do have some glass containers, but that's it. Oh, it fits. It just doesn't push in it. So yeah, just really cute basic food storage containers. Dishwasher safe, freezer safe, microwave safe. We love that. So yeah, I got 2 of these from Overstock as well. I feel like this was like $30-some too. I don't think it costs too much, and it just comes with a variety of sizes. So we have 2 of these that I need to stick in the dishwasher to wash them. And then I got some hot chocolate, which I'm gonna put all my drink things in that container I showed you yesterday. Whew. So yeah, I'm back from the store and I realized I didn't get a lot of things that I needed to get. But I also need to edit my reel of me cooking, which I didn't yet, so I can't even upload it to this video. But I'll post that in the next vlog. But yeah, I'm just gonna do some cleaning and things, and yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog. I don't even know where this vlog is at. I'm sure it's all over the place, a mess, inconsistent, just weird. But we're gonna do better for the next one. So we're gonna close this one out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.